there are a few casted characters' names that I see on some of these invites that don't belong to these meetings you guys are asking me to come to. What's going on? And she said, Trusty, nothing's going on. Wow, this is really, really, really cool. But there is a car out in the back that is in my parking spot. And then I had the pleasure of making my last entrance into this great institution. Hands were trembling. I took my badge, I hit it, bang, prop. Bang. I don't have access anymore.
was a lot.